I hope it's time to start now. So, welcome to the episode 2 of Meta Podcast, where we talk about things that does really matter and does not matter. Today we'll be talking about two folds of labor, that is abstract labor and concrete labor. So, keep in mind, boys. The concept of this can be found in the book Contribution to the Critique of Political Economy, as well as you can found this concept in the Das Kapital of chapter 12 and chapter 11. So before diving into the topic, we need to know about three values, that is use value, exchange value, and value. So what does value means? Value means the amount of labor it takes to convert into a commodity. That's what value means. So we're gonna participate in the two folds of labor, that is abstract labor and concrete labor. So what is abstract labor? Abstract labor produces exchange value and concrete labor produces use value. So let me explain. Let me give a definition of abstract labor. Abstract labor is a labor power expended without regard to the form of its expenditure. This means that abstract labor refers to an aspect of actual human labor, whereas concrete labor refers to the aspect of labor which accounts for different use values. So, concrete labor does not refer to all aspects of the material labor process. It only refers to the aspects which account for the heterogeneous use of commodities. This seems very clear from the steps in Marx's method of abstraction here. I point this out because I believe that confusion creeps into conversation about concrete and abstract labor, because people and even myself have been confused on this point. People often think that concrete labor refers to the physical aspects of the labor, while abstract labor refers to some loose metaphor for the social nature of labor. That's not at all. So what I'll do is, today we'll utilize some props to explain the concrete and the abstract labor. So we'll be using a box of cigarette and a lighter. So today we'll be using some props. So concrete labor are different for making a packet of cigarette and a jet lighter. Both cigarette and lighter making takes different technical skills and process of production, but at the same time considered abstractly, cigarette making is productive expenditure of the human brain, muscles, nerves, limbs, etc. Shared this abstract quality with the lighter manufacturing and all other labors. So abstract labor is both a concept and a real thing. What capitalists do is, capitalists try to abstract the labor process to its mastery to control the labor, to make them more replaceable, diminishing the worker into an abstract input in an objective production process. So that's what capitalists do. They try to make the process more simple and making more commodities more abstract. So I feel like this will be all for today, and I hope you found this episode informative. Now we'll start a Q&A section. If you guys want to ask some questions about the concrete and the abstract labor, you can. I'll explain to you. If you guys have any form of question regarding the concrete and the abstract labor. More people are joining in. I don't think I'll be Welcome everybody. You guys, everybody is joining a little bit late because today I kind of completed a little bit earlier. So it's okay. I'll explain it more because Balbir joined, Jasmine joined. I'll explain them what you're talking about today. We are talking about here about the abstract and the concrete labor. So I'll explain a little bit more. So we have the props today. We brought some props. We have the cigarettes and the lighter. I'll explain it once more for the new audience. Concrete labor are different for making a packet of cigarettes and a jet lighter. So I'll explain what is abstract labor once more. Abstract labor, labor power expended without regard to the form of its expenditure. That means abstract labor provides us with exchange value. Like this cigarette, box of cigarettes is a cheap one. It's like 95 rupees. So abstract labor gives like this the exchange value. Whereas the concrete labor, they provide us with the use value. The use value is the one, like smoking cigarettes. You're using the cigarettes, you're smoking it. So that's the use value. So with this props, I'll tell you how, like both of them are actually the same thing, because both cigarette and lighter making takes different technical skills. The process of productions are different, but at the same time, they are abstractly, cigarette making is a productive expenditure of human brains, muscles, nerves. So, and also they share this abstract quality with lighter manufacturing and other labors. So as a way, abstract is not a metaphor for the social nature of labor. It's a real thing. That's the human labor itself. So abstract labor is both a concept and a real thing. So keep in mind, the capitalist try to abstract the labor process to its mastery, to control the labor and make them more replaceable, so diminishing the worker to an abstract input in an objective production process. So I hope you all enjoyed this informative session of our episode 2, and that's all will be for today.